Take a look at this Buick, just in it, unique, especially in classics. Approximately 18 feet of Motown luxury. 1976 Buick, Park Avenue, four-door hardtop. Believed to be original miles. We're going to check that out here in a second, according to the previous title, previous owner. This was the original miles on this car. Of course, a 455 underneath the hood that is paired up with a turbo hydromatic. 400 automatic transmission, of course, all the modern amenities that you're going to get in a luxury Buick from 1976. Power steering, power brakes, AC, although I have not had the AC blow cold, FYI. This particular paint color, Independence Red Poly, which I guess would make sense, naming it Independence Red Poly and being from 1976. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And, of course, the phone number to call, 507-386-1726. Buick wire wheel covers. Now, as far as the paint, it does have kind of that checking or a little bit of hazing to it, which leads me to believe a lot of this paint could be original. There are going to be some spots where you're going to see some touch up. Yeah, are there a ding or dent here and there in this car? Absolutely. It has been driven, and hey, it's what, pushing 50 years old now. You can see up and down the side of it. The one right here, there was one down a little lower on it. There you can see. But the one thing to take a look at is look above the wheel wells, behind the wheel wells, where you start to see them, you know, when they're starting to bubble, things are starting to come through. Looks good in the lower rockers. There's your fender skirts. Interior is, of course, the luxurious Park Avenue interior with the red cloth, pillow seats. Like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side here in a second. Check out the interior a little closer. Vinyl top, which also appears to be original on this one. Free of really any rips, tears, holes in it. We'll check out the driver's side a little closer as we get around there. And again, you can see kind of on the deck lid, you got a little of that kind of checking, if you will. Filler panels, decent shape. Do need a little TLC on the one by the gas door. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And definitely take a look at the undersides of this car. Look at the floor pans. Very good condition. Seem like they have a light undercoating on them that is original. Take a look at the frame, the undersides, tranny, and everything seems to be dry and appear dry on this one. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Now on the rears, as far as the quarters, you do have some light rock chipping here, which is on the other side also. But that does show you that it's not filled in with a bunch of filler. That is metal underneath there. I notice a little spot by this door here too. A little touch up in a dinger. But overall, appears to be a very solid car. And how many of these do you still see going down the road? Have a little fun at your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. You're not going to see one of these every day. And look at this interior. Now, if you watched the videos before, you know as I get up on top of the burgundy colors, it starts to wash it out and kind of make it look like it's a tan color. Right there is the true color of that interior. Power seats work on this car, as you can see in the lower portion of the video screen there. Now, if I come right up on top of them, it's going to wash it out and make it look a lot lighter. That is not the color of this interior. The interior is going to be that deeper kind of brick color right there. Just to let you know, do show some wear in the door. Armrest over here, of course, power windows. And as you can see, those are all working. And with the hardtop, you are missing the B-pillar right there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. We're going to check out underneath the hood, let you hear it run. I did have the wipers work. Radio, I did not get to power up, FYI. So it was originally an 8-track, AM, FM 8-track. Also see your speed alert up here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See how easily that starts. I don't warm up just here a tad. That was a cold start. Now there's your miles, 23,313. And again, according to the previous title and the previous owners, that is original miles. Tough for us to confirm it, obviously, on a car of this age. But when you start looking at some of the things, like I said, look at the underside of the car. Take a look at the dash on that. How many times do you see a dash on a 76 that is this age and then a lot of miles on it? They're going to start to crack from sitting out in the sun. This appears that it may have been stored in the garage. A lot of the paint appears to be original. And then we're going to take a look under the hood, and I want to show you kind of the condition it is underneath there and the cleanliness. So a car that would be over 100,000 miles. I don't know if that engine bay is going to look like this one. Also, take a look at the trunk pictures. The original trunk flooring is in there, the trunk mat, the filler around the outside of the trunk and the rear of the trunk. Take a look in there and judge for yourself. Also, remember, we do welcome third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to come take a peek at this car for you? Open door policy for third-party inspectors if you can't make it yourself. All right. Get an idea how that 455 sounds. Pretty much like you'd expect a 1976 Buick to sound. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second, pop the engine bay, and let's check that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. And here we go. As you can see, looks like newer master cylinder there. AC compressor has been unhooked. Hence, I've not had it blow cold, but it appears most of the components are there. We need a little PLC with a compressor. Now, look at how clean these inner fender walls are. Even that hood liner, considering the age of it. Take a look over here. Just not really corroded. We're starting to get that surface rust. Look how clean it is back along that cowl. Just a very tidy engine bay, again, considering the age of this vehicle. And look at how clean the fans shroud, and then of course the label, the engine and catalyst information on it. There you go. Looking for a big Buick Cruiser, 70s, 1976 Buick, Park Avenue, 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.